Okay, I'm going to demonstrate how this bit moves on a piece of wood right here. I'm spinning the motor from the top of the shaft, and you can see how far the bit moves around. Kind of showing, I'll try and spin it from here, showing how much that's kind of out of alignment or tipped from the motor. I think we've got a bent shaft is the only thing to explain this. I've checked the collet and it's straight. I've checked it in other equipment. I've checked the bit and it's straight. And so the only thing here is where the collet and the shaft connect. There's no give, but it definitely is not straight like it should be. And so I don't dare turn this on with the bit in it because it would shake so much, and I don't want to be dangerous. But I've turned it on without the collar and the bit in, and just the shaft shakes and is out of alignment. So, but I thought with the bit in it illustrates it a little bit better because you've got a longer extension.